Just a bad man moving bad. All me want is some peace of mind. Roll one then I burn it loud, vibrations up and that. See no evil, I see no man. See no man. Oil in my head, everything I touch is blessing. All I see is blessings, and no man can stop me. Send them away, evil eyes don't watch me. Cause all I see is blessings, and no man can stop this. Oh Lord, I won't stop for nothing. Victory is near, I'm feeling it.
I mean, referees who have not been up to speed, obviously, are taken to the due process, i.e. when clubs complain about bad officiating, etc., etc. The match review panel is there to have a look at the performances. I think we are on the right track. Refereeing will definitely be on the rise. Don't forget, we also invested in communication gadgets for match officials, and we're going to invest in more communication gadgets.
Each of the zonal winners would receive a car at the end of the season. The second place teams would receive 30,000 Ghana cedis. Of course, the first place team will take home 40 gold medals, 40 silver medals for the second place team, and 40 tempo footballs for the current season. 40 tempo footballs for the current season. WPL, I know Hilary is very much interested. Each of the winners from the two zones would again receive 50,000 Ghana cedis, 5,000 Ghana cedis. The second place team from each of the two zones will also take home 30,000 Ghana cedis. So the first place team will Ghana cedis.
Hello, Janet here. I'm listening to Akuman Radio.
Darling Jesus, you know the value. Oh, darling Jesus, you are always on my case. Now you, they give me joy, they give me peace, they give me grace. So I thank you, my Jesus. Thank you, my Lord.
Darling Jesus, oh my darling Jesus, you are wonderful, Lord. I love you so, my darling Jesus, oh my darling Jesus, you are wonderful, Lord.
You never leave me, you never forsake me. I can count on you when everyone fails me. You know the time to shower me with blessings. So I love you, my Jesus. Oh, love you, my Lord.
Darling, 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 darling Jesus, oh my darling Jesus, you are wonderful, Lord. I love you so much, darling Jesus, oh my darling Jesus, you are wonderful,
Darling Jesus, oh, my darling Jesus, oh,
my darling Jesus, you are wonderful, Lord.
I love you so, I love you, Jesus, my darling
Twumhene Radio 97.1.
You never leave me, you never forsake me. I can count on you when everyone fails me. You know the time to shower me with blessings. So I love you, my Jesus. Oh, love you, my Lord.
Darling, 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 darling Jesus, oh my darling Jesus, you are wonderful, Lord. I love you so much, darling Jesus, oh my darling Jesus, you are wonderful,
Darling Jesus, oh, my darling Jesus, oh,
my darling Jesus, you are wonderful, Lord.
I love you so, I love you, Jesus, my darling Jesus.
Darling Jesus, oh my darling Jesus, you are wonderful, Lord. I love you so, my darling Jesus, oh my darling Jesus, you are wonderful, Lord.
You never leave me, you never forsake me. I can count on you when everyone fails me. You know the time to shower me with blessings. So I love you, my Jesus. Oh, love you, my Lord.
Darling, 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 darling Jesus, oh my darling Jesus, you are wonderful, Lord. I love you so much, darling Jesus, oh my darling Jesus, you are
United States of America,
I love you, my Jesus.
Washington, D.C. Ladies and gentlemen,
Darling, darling.
let's get ready to rumble! Going to witness the most anticipated match in the history of the world. Are you ready?
You never leave me. You
Wrestling
never
fans,
forsake me. I
are
can count
you
on you when everyone fails me. You know the time to shower me with blessings. So I love you, my Jesus. Love you, my Lord. Darling, darling. You are wonderful. You are wonderful, darling Jesus. My darling Jesus. I love you so. I love you, Jesus. My darling Jesus. You are wonderful, Lord.
Not really. We just registered them. They are new players, so this is their first outing. So I wouldn't be surprised to have seen what I saw. Our scoring abilities are our challenges. Now we are working on it. Very soon, when the league starts, you see the output of the team.
I think officiating was fairly good as well. At times we don't have patience for the referees, but this particular referee, I was watching him carefully, and I think
Tonight, we are going to witness the most anticipated match in the history of the world. Are you ready? Wrestling fans, are you ready? For the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world, from the capital city of the United States of America, Washington, D.C., ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble! America, Washington, D.C., ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble!
Akropong Radio 97.1. Akropong Radio 97.1. Akropong Radio 97.1. Akropong Radio 97.1.
Tiamo Bibia Kwaba, and then on Breve PM Live for Okuma Radio 97.1. And I hit it, I'm a PMO studio. I see I hit it, papa. Where Tutugyagu Pemuka. Msia Bakachori and Son Country and Team Nya Frase live for Okuma Radio 97.1.
I said the game from Baidoo. Nami Kozongo Sikobisaya. Mama Sojese, Okodafu Yakuyo.
At Friday, yes, Friday, Botaya. And we are I say, woman, for Sikano, Kozongo Visaya. Enti Kachorian on Son Country and Team Nya France. Live for Okuma Radio 97.1. Way Tutugyagu Pemuka. France, Odemsa down Tuesday and Tumiamba. As a UEFA Champions League. And a live commentary by Dano Ayawu Quarter and Tumiamba. And a live commentary by Rasen Canreba, but enrolling the Unimsana Pani Beshedi Dim Komaza. And Ryan and Ayatrase. Pemuka live for Okuma Radio 97.20 channel live for Facebook. Obara comment like subscribe YouTube so Demukama. Team Nia Solid and everybody come on Sonia Ferry Park. Sonia Park papa. Interviews out one more. I do channel live for Facebook. Message now starting about 101 Giddy Pa. And yes, one more. Yes, I love the new song. Get it there? Yeah. Starting up. Kajunia saying Yatrase. Yes, a cry. Tia Yumnepa, you know, and some woman, Tia, to was in a Tia Yumnepa. And now we miss you. I mean, what I was in Ronica more. Yet in a G said, I was in Ronica Capra. What you got more when you take your Israel. And now, so dear Bronia Messiano, Benjamin Dobroni. And what thing, Papa, now come over anybody. See a poor mammy. A share can Yaba kwa mane suwedi din komo and said Ghana Premier League matches out 20 amia to over the weekend. Big matches one more. Kora kwa way House of Folk at Rafie. Yana ni betrim kake. Nanda yebe kani wu. We will say it and we will die. Sabi ekroma yensrobia. We are not fear in this thing, we no fear anyone. Ekroma yensrobia. Yebe kan stay here tie papa. Tio kwedu brade adibia bebribiade bambo kokko breno awusia kwati bidia ya entinda ye bekani ya sekra Amanfo yi wo kroma papa sacrifice omi ya yasu omi dabi who say it according to not according from ye kana ye de mukopiema evidence out one eta to na bibia so to me kama na no be ka be ye mukopiema Eastern region pictures one drama college ne frefre be mu ekoma no so na mafu monitor pen for monitor Kobe fi headquarters ababa Kobe fi headquarters aba we say ekoma no yaba ya ese we yo so this ye ko yo de bia meka you can't stop a movie train one train e kwa be stop no to me stop in da Dano unche Eastern region pictures adra ka okroma no after so many Kelvin and nam nya call from the headquarters as ya tuja bomb in phone chipa oh yeah na nya call pa ai abuzia and the show and yes show ke trakra perform monitor show from afar and the embassy be bo bia na se be dio bia that be start in ya be kan pepe and to share course adwa dano e buy pa na no te and the Buram Ghana Football Association tie poma me the Ghana Football Association Yabako Mr. Kate is a quick kache. You ready to come on? FGF elections no the pomame and you better ja nyom ne pama for say ananda masem yes isi anyumbo ya de koza you can you we don't fear anybody in this country that be and some fu you kroma and in the borum the kind of association temukuchi deni efioba the kind of association deni efioba temukuchu Katroni anono son country ni amontra radio no mumbie nensi mame oya taxi driver truck driver biem and the person na borum the kind of association tie cas enkomo bia boboba Umfero se Kupama latest biba Teneba Temukuchu they send the show na very pack ebrebe me be Kupama camp Obeka said to my youth Odim say omo no msia kan e wo division 1 last season matches out do Mubonia Obri ni matches bia na ya 2 point Obri ni bia na ya 2 point ebe hu be ye here say about one player as the transfer on sense it seems like he cannot answer and go through sir ama been for me ye ama kopie mo cast because of arbitration wo mo etimi the rule in the aba then ekwo anu odin papa la za yaba 97 to flight netu okopie mo yeah the engine room oh jaja DJs give me a brutal the weather no gugu is your number yeah the weather has bring himself so Ziggy has where he stand I was here in the show the very park you be see there you be sre ebro bem na say you be jubedi na you be a phone line so you ma call us no now mo so mo the imagine share the bakama and then umbre team no you very solid a bronze the TDK Brown one na she jubedi kama ekoyo no Zasuna kopiema Ramamara boss player eke Kefre amponse di waraso Nobatenenka obe fire kama Eze sani ya kono Zasuna nana kofia korea jimembo kama Mr. Gideon very fantastic mara Bella baby Bella baby Esu ya buwa kama Nana otamia Zasuna star DJ Weather Tonzi and I'm coming Perry the finest the boy hello DJ Zigibi Master Mo that you know and then Kofubi Bana Master Mo say hey muni mama ko soja pay you muni na we here emo beko general manager Mr. Akweku Boateng, fantastic good evening and Komano. Obano Sidabi, Ekromano Siano. And I keep you see, yeah, baby. That's a writer. Only a kine, a kibra. Just simple. When you're Tutugyagu sports in the park. How many touch you from afar? Mr. Akweku Boateng, fantastic good evening and Komano. Maybe I will be a boss player. I see a coupon shot on your case here. I go by the name of writer, commentator, TWC for short. Baidoo Solomon Fosu. In Adina, me, sir. Oh, somebody touch on from afar. Yes, young coupon shot on your case here. You know, mammy, and I mean, is a perfume now, young Combra. I'm a fucking cancer. I am faster than a farmer, CK, sorry, hardware. Want me a bruta, papa. Sasona Kopiema. Chill out, entry and pop. Want me a bruta. At the right time, you are more common bad and commanded Baba. And I win it. I didn't have a baby. One expert as we are saying, Sassina Bella is Vanna Water. And so you may choba. Sika Sorry Venture. Rooney's a bookshop and stationery. Womnia as we are seeing Commander so answer that and your video grow a war no more. And no. Yakupo Shamana Yamukesia. We are taxi driver, we are truck driver. Otu Fianom, in Shunu Gugu Kaka, or a wife should dare be a monitor from afar. Yes, Yakupo Shamana Yamukesia. Yes, Samo. Dabi mami kolo kambra, mi kolo kaka krebimra. Yes, Samo. Mo monitano na mo biem kakra. Wenya eye kakra di na wenya ya. Na abwana bia setu yakokati. Enjoy live for Facebook. on Akuma Radio 97.1. Drop a comment one more. So and I bet me at a normal text message about baby I'm monitor free no 0551 667755 0551 667755 no be biasadom it to me aye kama e warmana unim say ukopie man the Ghana Premier League esase kama ama bo kwa de dini tano bo fa kwathana fie eton sare frɛ out you echiamu bomo e kam you know a wom so etumi atimu ba ko orma Ejilita say yes, and no copy mo sunyani Coronation Park. Nipa ba na no den. Nipa. They were in their numbers. Now no den. Nyamiya machina baby any Ghost Stars and a Cropia Kumasia Santikarako. Yet a live commentary ebaba tie papa mi ochina. Yet a live commentary baba House of Folk and a instructor across Sports Stadium and we are Sunday. Yet a live commentary ebaba Bechem United and a Dreams FC. Yet a live commentary baba and the Ocean matches in the baba. Adriano Stars name Diama, yet a live commentary papa. Caroline 19 Brekum Chelsea live commentary. Bantu out of Lions any great Olympics. You better not see live commentary diapa. Nations FC any summer test. We munia matches are a Quisiata Monday Edgewater and Crown Lions Ethanafie and Legon Cities. Area in time so in him say gamer and what Diayati and home common in Yano Eddie Emerson 84 ewo eye Jumedian so nti yanhwe na yemfa EPO matches outdraw nyame adom over the weekend ebeto dwa emfambra na abujafan trans yebedi command ebeko deep papa nyame adom ochire bo 2 pm Man City at 3 TR one eye Nottingham Forest Edinburgh in term so also and Luton Town eye Wolverhampton in term so and Crystal Palace ni Fulham Brentford any Everton Burnley in Manchester United Chelsea Ethan Stamford Bridge and Aston Villa the in term so Arsenal and Tottenham Hotspur, Liverpool and West Ham United, Brighton and Hove Albion, and a Bournemouth, Sheffield United, and Newcastle. To any EPO matches are Nyamia Tuma and also able to me after dry our money say and Manchester City, one who read 15, Tottenham was 13, Liverpool 13, Arsenal 13, Brighton 12. Now I should Chelsea for Chelsea at a 14th position 5 points. Hey, Chelsea, man by United so at a 13th position. And two swan now Sunye United at 13th 6.8. Afi EPO man be bomb be bobrapa common so and sada enye Fediagro and the German Bundesliga. Okay, the German Bundesliga on ye Nyamia Tuma Kebran be ye yinama me okay. Is there Ugo Piema Stuttgart? And a Darmstadt, first half 2-1. And also name Komakra, Efi Hormo Eba, Yansha, Bayern Ebathanafi, a Bokubri Arentam, so Borussia Mönchengladbach, and a RB Leipzig, Eberbo, Dortmund, any Wolves, Eden Wolves, Uzbek, Arentam, so Union Berlin, and Hoffenheim, Salzburg, Werder Bremen, and a FC Cologne, Bayer Leverkusen, Super Bowl game, Ofie, Salso, and Eintracht Frankfurt. Any Freiburg, Edinburgh in terms of come on more. Okopiema, Stuttgart, Omo lead 2-1. One way ready come 12 points. By Oliver Coulson, Tossum, our 10 points. Palmonic, Tossum, and our 10 points. RB Leipzig, one out Tossum 9, our 9 points. Omnia, Omo ready kind, Giddy Gusiaga. Omo said by your net, dot one prepressana, one swimming who near call, and in your eba, our hormoa, and command so answer and your figure. Grandchild like Gano, na yamfa in review, our hormaki. And the Spanish La Liga, Atletico Bilbao, Womani Alaves, Inaki Williams, I said the opener, Ediama Atletico Bilbao, Inaki na kwano. Say, say, Oba Black Stars, Inaki no said Enye Izao. Inaki no Black Stars, Omuso, and I say go no. 18th minute, and Inaki Williams say go. I said first go about 25 minutes, Shebu, I say. Jonane Mayoka, Osasuna ne Sevilla, FC Barcelona. And it's Celta Vigo. Zasuna mentioned CC Nanako, Resu Sadane Getafe, Robert Isne, a Cadiz Bebo, Real Valicano, and a Villarreal, Sasuna Las Palmas, and a Granada, Atletico Madrid, and a Moko Pima, Atletico, Madrid, ne Real Madrid. Zuba that gave me Sunday, Amiaduma 7 p.m. This game, manager, Okakanwa Kadiak, I say, hey, do that game. No, manager is a slip of tongue. And then come out, Crimson. Madrid already kind of 15 points. FC Barcelona tossed me at 13. Girona toso miɛnsa wɔ 13 points. Atletico Madrid wɔn toso 9 ɛwɔ 13, 15, 13, Valencia ɛso ɛyɛ yi saa na Las Palmas ne wɔ mu deɛ sɛ wɔn abɛbɔ brɛ bia wɔn mo wɔn deɛ wɔn mu ntosoɔ kɛkɛ na aboa na ma bibia so no etumi ayɛ kama abegyafo nya atena sɛ betwa ho aba na sɛ yɛbɛyɛ yi saa yɛnkɔ saa ho okay ndi producer se yɛnkɔ ɔna esi ɔka edimu producer brutal but efia no akwa no sɛda nye yi asa di producer guest na jada no fiaze nyese ko Facebook na yɛhwɛ sɛ yɛbɛtumi read one or two message bia na yenye yi na bibia so no entumi enye kama we are still live on Akoma Radio 97.1 Tutugyagu pemuka Tutugyagu pemuka yes nyeze Tutugyagu pemuka yeni abru okroma papa Arian Philippe yeni read one or two message bi ni yanko nyeze DJ Ziggy be a brutal Ziggy Bodma papa let me see yeni yanko kwasi no na ha kwasi no na he da bi search na he kona ke ma we need o na na bra down bra no me ho no okay okay Ziggy Ediaba okay I love the new song nti you know nen komo akribs ya eboba e de imaginative senior good evening bibia fine
oh nyame adom bibia kama
ya san kwa aba
ebe ndeng
if you
wo do nsa kwato asama de mo den abedi
obedi oh
ya kwa aba yesi adwuma yesi ebe ye de na yesi wo ye den ya wese wo ye
top here fair and a jacket
jacket
nti what's the difference between jacket and coat say it is different it is same the for more live for Facebook abu senior or say jacket and coat feye go say kotokofo no yes the fear boko
oh nyame adom fear boko ya san kwa ma de asan batu en de na say nyame ayi
we are working for the country
oh yeah
for the love of the game
oh yeah
okay Zuba
right
yeah makwaba
Major Zumini, I say be a kama. Okay, whether no na aye ya nso guguntino. Baby I wet. Nti one you careful.
Okay.
Na akoti ashim.
Okay.
Nti no say na baby I don't produce asiri. Baby I wet na make no. Nti no baby I wet nti one year careful. Na bema uti afọ no one ti afọ mu ya. Nja na wapatira kotum. Na akofa asema ba na nititi say uti afọ na one share socks no. Utia for na nje socks titiriwa o patre na otoma nja na ona mabu nso na gugu
radio we can ask my me about you many me na ga them yeah we from experience
nso ato any experience nso ato
where's my head me
na most part of the country you know nso ato o pm on Ghana nso ato ana me chese utia for no ntia
ntia ne obu ne be wan kana asem
we me kan asem mu be nso na ato nso na ato ntino obi anya careful driver for no na Friday one Commentator into for but driver for no ahwe ye na me catch them nti no super bi I come anyway
okay ye be di komo ye be hwe ye be ka koyi komo bi afio e wo kotoko ye ante so maka ko dube bie ni ye be hwe brebe me be di komo sa so na okopie ma GFE license on sense no ye be di komo kakra e di afie also nya ante se cars na ye won fredo se kokupa ma latest biaba ye be di komo akra wo hormo mo say okay message up okay adi ana koma akrebusia ye be di live on Akoma Radio 97.1 koma so enshada enye fidi agro maka cho say 1xbet was a betting company outdoor Kroma unya signing it bet 1 2 3 pem matches ne kwaso krana also ye cash out na enshada ambasa but 1xbet no unya sign ya first deposit na womo ebetumi ama bonus kama until you deposit 100 cedis a ombe ma 100 cedis then 100 cedis bonus na aboa na ba biaso no etumi cover cover so ensheda nye fidi agonti 1xbet adaroma ena womo so omaso asia ye de Tutugyagu sports no ede ba so ena me catch us Vena water enza sia no fe dwama so nsu a eje no mena pa Vena water ya say oye party oye engagement uye ye any event bia ye bia onim say nyame adoma event outdo kromochna and onim say festival no next week Tutugyagu and in shoba ko fa bio bia ka wasem no Vena water and in Nikasema Ebwe Ban say the Ghana Medical Association yes Oma Jiatum Kama and so ye be na say the Ghana Medical Association eji tumpe on him say yes ejuma bono ano dinti Vena water eso aso yasia yede Tutugyagu sports no edieba T74 the new food makacho say sia no Kroma no bi one mabeka so onyale almost for the past 3 years on course between ye yamaza onamu uni pedua no yadu bom unya T74 edroni binoma erebetumi abo ebetumi yi yare awodo a ewo yi pedua no mu nia na osuwa uniye kom ene ye ba obetumi afrem penifo 02460734 98 0246073498 and I say 0501628931 aboa na ma ebiase no etumi aye kama ewo hono ma nsama bedwafo akwaba na yenko straight na yendin koma suba ma me shase enfrefri ho yante se Sam William biaba concerning tema youth one for the sake of Pama and also cast buemu kakra na yendin koma akra efefio.
All right, super. Anyway, yensenchia Okuman etie for anafin so na hwefo on Facebook na yamo Akwaba Fambra Okuman evening sports Tutugyagu sports no. So really na about an area concerning tema youth owner didn't and so I will further say Kupama anafin so the Ghana Football Association. And super, it's a particular ruling. I will share case on we studied the case study. I shall say some years back concerning a brand and the Joseph Pinto.
Okay.
The transfer from Tema Youth, Echo Amanane, Europe. And then case we so agent and Joseph Pinto move Tema Youth Tony fee. Another club, another lower tier club. Your friend I think Red Bull, a lower tier side. And I'm Tony fee. And at time I use a transfer no a call outside. But Shannon Suzuba, they were quite yin say Joseph Pinto and I the only Ghanaian player. You transfer in a free Ghana. Aquaman on any boarding.
Wow.
From Ghana, our local league straight to Europe, you know, or no and any boarding. Okay. In about 12 million. And yeah, there. So I say it's one of the most expensive player from our local scene or our local league. So in the transfer of Joseph Pinto, no. Now I was say to my youth after say what on Joseph Pinto, Otuya Sika, I didn't Joseph Pinto in the mother club. On there and I said the boyhood club. Maybe you training, you know, your fan if you any idea in FIFA rules and regulations about no player transfer any player sales. Tom player be now. I was so Sika no be of the transfer no. Akufo club etete you know. As in coast team and as a club be etete you know. Fear chance you know. I will say to Sika no. A BM in the transfer of every player no. We are also Jessica ni be our transfer money at the ma FA no. And I think so no a player statutes and also to be then alcohol. And in this you know Joseph Pinto transfer from Tema Youth to Amananeno. I think say Tema Youth led by Wilfred Oseko Kupama no. And to me I then ankoye ne sa. Enti ene F you know it to me a sanction Tema Youth etwe so omo fine omo and I think so no omo ka so mu betua and over the years super fine na F any dem Tema Youth no anya de omutua ye and Tema Youth ekoye appeal our appeals committee.
Okay.
And appeals committee so tena asem no so no omo affirm the same decision the Ghana Football Association I the ethics committee no ruling no the buy no and one also no send am ka say near FNA kano and one so Tema Youth should go back and pay an amount of over 600,000 euros to Red Bull. Say omo transfer their player Joseph Pinto. Now if you want to over 100 and something thousand, a little over 100,000 to the FA and also a little over 100,000 to the statutes committee. Tema Youth antiase and Apama antiase into appeals committee na sanction no. Say we defy the ruling of the appeals committee.
Okay.
Into no sanction of the man say so far as also untias can so you know. About game will be no win here, you better a point.
Wow.
Yeah, 3 points. Game will be winning, you know. So 3 points. Yeah, fan man. Palmer and TSA, another call CAS, Court of Arbitration for Sports. Our Zurich.
Okay.
Another call here. Now, a bit of the call, you know, what they are kind of ruling in mind, it means that the previous ruling, the appeals committee, still stands. And to back last season in the Division 1 league, you know, tell you to Bobo Biano winner at 10 points.
Okay.
Bobo Biano winner until the season we are not Tamayut occur relegation because only points be it automatically already occur relegation. And see, and I say we and a ruling then from the Court of Arbitration for Sports, CAS, said the previous rulings are the Ghana Football Association now Palmer and Tiasi another court appeals committee. Now appeals committee is ruling in favor of the Ghana Football Association. Now and Tiasi and Sunday about CAS. Those previous rulings, you know, CAS say almost more affair. Me just say that rulings, you know, it that's why then and you know, and they will for the circle Kupama encore. Now the over 600,000 euros is the kind of suit Red Bull no, of Joseph Pinto transfer no Onko Nungutia. Now on Sentia over 100,000. I want to get the figures right for you. Now and you can say a Bosiri Mukabi and yeah camp. And you know with the figures, you know, super my main farmer or Hana young name. It's you know as time goes on, the figures so figures, you know, and it said I was said Tamayut and a Palmer, it's 688,000 and my young Red Bull.
Okay.
Concerning Joseph Pinto, the transfer, no. Now, Faye, I was saying it's 150,000 euros. And so, the Ghana Football Association.
Okay.
Now, I was saying 150,000 euros. And the Ghana League Clubs Association, Galka. So, yes. It was Galka instead of Galka. And America, in your player statutes, Galka, Ghana League Clubs Association, because he played for a club, they belong to the Ghana League Clubs Association, Galka. That's Tema Youth. It's over 688,000 to Red Bull because of one of fan fee. Now we're 150,000 euros to Ghana Football Association. Now if you want to 150,000 euros, and amount Galka. Now Ovia on say our body at 10 points into a relegation.
Yes.
Into relegation now Okono still it will stand. A quite form of punishment because you catch you say to you when you are the ball league in two bonya until Oko relegation. Into a nay and ya there my youth about the Division 1 league rather or about Division 2.
Wow.
That means you know what you are close to about 1 million euros. And so no to me the Red Bull, Young Red Bull, the Ghana Football Association, and also Galka. Concerning the transfer of Joseph Pinto. So I Palmer, any Kato Kreku,
yes,
and talk on any FA, men kind of Kato. FA no talk on last year, it be any. Now, it say the reason why I cried here, for Joseph Pinto, anchor the FIFA World Cup or Katano, between the Obese Fracasa, between the Ghana Football Association, and I think some Wolford Circle Kupama, and you know, you're dropping Joseph Pinto. Now, ruling about concerning this issue. Sure. Pay an amount of 688,000 euros to the Young Red Bull. Pay an amount of 150,000 euros to the Ghana Football Association. And also an amount of 150,000 euros to the Ghana League Clubs Association. That's Galka. Men come amidi and it say Anka last year Anna Palmer ejitum no tua sasika ya. Ageba bedu baby ewe yana. Super. And they attracted my youth akwanechi. I feel now akwa Division 2. Zuba.
Yes.
Now what qualify about Division 1. Now I say about Division 1. Look at the number of matches at all Division 1. Now we are what I can't say middle league in po so when to one top you group now.
Yes. Middle league.
Depending zone crowd become.
Yes.
What middle league and sana waba. Zuba. Look at the stress. And now, players psychologically, are they ready? Because all Division 1 in Obono is a Obono is the players were
yes.
And now, which are the kind of players that my youth you can starting from Division 2 Azuba. I don't think so about my youth. In Tanka, many Palmer, I see where I see. The best thing Palmer be say on go to Jessica farmer FA. Probably the FA might consider them revert almost this season concerning Division 2 demotion and Division 1 demotion now. Yeah, the amount. Bia okay. What's your Zicano? And Tiana, if Niana, the Amra, you man. Young Coin Gosher. Number of matches or ball last season in the you can't say Division 1 league. You know, the name 4 points in the beginning. Man, don't kill. But a Coban sounds so almost. I qualify from Division 2. About Division 1 so then away almost. So now I bet to tell my youth is about Division 2. And in now, I can say football matters, no. I have football people and trying to solve it. What do you say?
Yes.
So for me, I think that this is the ruling at Abba F, you know, and so that the Abba about yes, so you be akin can near home. So super go for the circle Kupama and then tell my youth, you know. I also want to say amount in that phase, you know, it's you and go to the baby actually.
Okay, and the AK and also actually Chimefa a my youth run for the sake of Kupama and also the Ghana Football Association who sends them senior
yo Raja yo best na chi fu na Ghana de o kan wen 7 be da adu bia oti mu se ye mpan fu na ka sebe ade bia ye ka baka si adna wo ye no wonwo no ho no wo ye because AK ye nim se Raja nim se in the Ghana statute committee no you say what say every player be about transfer na fi Ghana bia no there's a percentage going to GFA,
yes,
which is 10%.
Okay,
every player bia so they go Togo so they to my fine for be about transfer na ko bia no says can ye den e was eba we are aware,
sure.
So how come because enye and a primary ton player
that be
also ton tema youth players enye so how come say Joseph Pente within the who's a winter. Yeah, where say Uton player no na say player no ball academy be one and you want to Akuffo no Kwanchen now we are better to one na adenkoya automatically the Uton player be was a percentage across our club no to develop another player sin e be ya next time we your player from Sabekano.
Yes.
So Argentina Uton Joseph Pente we na sike was a correct boost on vango sike ni bre ewo kurom ya eno na e count na Ghana football ekofom sika ni bi obi ni nkwan na onwe sika na adu ni change unu bibi ni ye business a when start here sika mbem ye dia bibi o kan bia ye pe sika nya si mu se gim
na be se bibia
ase na adu ni na okura ni na change so now send ye kan sika abetua na nke nu 1 billion because ubetua 65 150 we can buy 300 I can 65 950
yeah 600
okay 650 and we hear 150 2 we can buy 300 I can 650 now 950 so just what on player 12 million I said the highest player in Ghana football I what transfer Ghana denako not just 950. What man say? Now, what course the harm to the players now boy with tema youth you know. Now moko second division. Now AK say time go be second division. Ababa third division. What for third division? Ababa middle. I say about Premier League. Enti kwata ya dey acha kura by 3 years. Division 2 the division 1 born so yen small. Division 1 division 2 born I know you do OTA Wednesday we Nations FC captain na. Yes. Also playing Division 1 no and so hard since na about Premier League.
Premier League, yes.
So we are just imagine say Division 2. What was so the whole team just sika. Na me say e no. So aha na hina untua ya Division 2 so obo nyina na wasan tell. Bobo Division 2 is went to answer what Division 3. It means that team never say good. But me just say, and can be as not I didn't buy no shame when I go to Escana, Nankabi and could say a beer and could say, but Macassi, this is any first timer, Cataculet Cumereso, where the seminar cars and Aban wedding kunim. What me say, he did. Disciplinary committee for no what your diligence I was seminim what shame we when we say idiot I'll pay for to me nine cause cars na FIFA mremu ni sani mani na den that's the reason they thought Chelsea follow thought Casedo no Obasha na Brighton Luton Casedo na the mother team na wo Ecuador no. They were 25% was selling on clothes na Oberton Casedo no. And that's the reason na Chelsea for the 60 70 na ko na team na nka say ye wo ma no wo fra Brighton say do be mamonton the system because that's the yes ka say. So they make sure say Oberton we Casedo 100 ni when you 25% we mu ayeduru. So ewo baby na Ghana de ben for so what my want to yan ma want to wonder ye be kasa ye be kan wan mo ja sa nyama we nyina ye wo course players no de bia o ma players no edi yawo now adwene be na what the ball first division no because wo bombo ne wo union o betel wo union points ne dawo uko uni next match wo betel so there no need question I think go problem wo di moti one straight to division 2 because bobia wo hotel ana no so yen ready to betua ye onye na adwena nka so betua ye because moving from one court to another court, moving to one court to another court, it's a waste of money and time. Waste of money and time. Yes, it's going to be new. It's kind of war. Until the way make us say, what to now, man, so from cars, they say, we need baby, I could be him. Because they will say, we need baby, I could be him. So, when you ultimate beer, when you do beer, the best thing say, you pay the money and you play your football. Yes, actually, if you want to say the motor nako different trade, automatically say Tema Youth is gone. Okay. Because those players are Tema Youth produce in Ghana. Na or say Palma, unimude. Now what my course side we are. It's a shameful to Ghana football.
Super, okay.
Because of this case, you know, Adema, Abrana, Akropong-Akuapem, a person contested as a Ghana Football Association president. Yeah. Abrana Kets and Georgia Freemo. Okay. On our vetting committee, you know, honestly disqualify, you know, because of this.
Because when you're credible.
Because when you're credible, that was that was the statement on was in terms of credibility, you know, Palmer inquiry. So finally, this case, you know, to me, I resolve it. I think from Monday. We'll hear from Akropong-Akuapem concerning this particular issue. But for me, I think I've seen that kind of a waste of money, waste of time, and a Palmer and so it's me.
All right, so we are still live on Okuma Radio 97.1. We to Tutugyagu Sports, no, we need the play ni keke. Na we hunie ko enenia eba ehorama. Yentwa yaba yedi jumedi no etiaso.
Expect jackpots na landio alande na watch bia na chedio yenya ni so betwa wo bet for sports game bia so na obetumi dinkuni register with onexbet.com.gh na use promo code jackpotghana na travel bet onexbet ye nkunim die ho safua onexbet who say nkunim difo gambling ho atru ntitwa ne wahwe ye nyama wa wundi mfie duo gaming commissioner Jinka to we atum. Fufuo festival Jack for how you know to baby na yen copy pono so Okuma Radio 97.1 2023 Akropong-Akuapem Odurano for the first time Okuma Edi Fufuo festival no Edi bro Akuapem nyina ebeye dey style bi remember naka say fufuo no eye free you hear eye wankasa wasanka dwumadi nyina beba so ewo eye shoe fabric animu Akropong-Akuapem on the 1st of October 2023 ebrano anopa no what till you drop Bibiani na pese bia wonim pay for twetwe nkomo ana pese to stand no nkata do ton woni ma bia betimi nim pay for twetwe nkomo e wo 0549012454 0549012454 ana say 0246246875 0246246875 fufuo ba mi ni fufuo style bia
Don't tonte yenum nsane e fadwen
ne e fadwen ampa say na nim say brebi beba ama tonti na 74 opa ye ne simple T74 abeye aduru
tonti na 74 ana T74 asa twe ya dwene asina nanom dodo so say de na dodo bua ma na nanom enyare basabasa no saa na tonti na 74 ana T74 ebu anipadua no
emo immune support enti obi onum bie no abrebia ne ho den
tonti na 74 yinso ya ye no sensuo krokro wa kama enti ba bia wonam bia obetimi de wade akọ
samene wa anka free na ekroyi eda no nko na wie ye wa bra mennom T74
mennom tonti na 74 menya hoɔden mennom ne da bia
T74 yi eye hahama ene ye de aye na DHC ena aframa na ye kama saa no T74 ahoɔden ne apomuden ko a
wokɔ pharmacy ana ba bia to nro bia ubenya tonti na 74 yi bia to
T74 yi enye ma oba wa fa afuro ana obi a ɔma nufoɔ ana se obi a onya mfie dumienu
etufon frɛ 050-162-8931 and 0246-073-498 FDA agi adwadie nkratso yi atom.
Take a sip and taste the flow. Life it be hard sometimes, but let it go.
Feel the flow for your patio. Bellas to get your feet on the floor. It's Bell Ice. We feel it burn. We feel it burn. Take a sip of Bell Ice. We feel it.
Jiwo Bell Ice Lemon, Pineapple, Orange, and a Bell Ice Vodka Mixer in one pop pebi. Na enjoy. Kaiser, Bell Ice, and PET plastic bottle mono, and 8% alcohol, and a Bell Ice Vodka Mixer, and can mono, and also 18% alcohol. Nomninyansem, one toma nipa, only in fear to watch it, and Sessa Apem Fornum, FDA, Ajidredian Kratoi Atom. Bell Ice, Mephilia.
Another quality product from Bell Aqua.
Minua, afei ma menka me remu mu aso ahunu a menyaye wo Safari Valley Eco Park in Trail. Emra ye duro pe akwantifo akwankyerefo a won ho akokwa agi ye nde yemfa akwan a ye befa so nya so ahunu mu na ngye yie. Na remu mu ne twa ye ho hia fiti mra ye ra pa ye nunu no. Ye humo bi te se zebra, sable antelopes, crown cranes, mara, silky chicken, emus, wallabies, deer, ponko, ene mo api na ye ntumi nkan po. Akwantifo akwankyerefo no kan remu mu ano won ne ye ne sanya woni won dinkita hunu nsem pi kire ye. Me baba ni manwe aduane mpo na dadamfo pa ni zebra no ya kompetanse won sio ne so afi na ya bre nti ya gi ahome edi ewie aduane wo bebia ho ye feyi na woni enije we ni dwumadi nyina bo hya ase afi 250 Ghana cedis na eya kwama mofra mu di mfiensia hya me baba na nti ahwe enre mu aso ahoni we ma ye nije strong ko ebeda ya koma so ya nkwa na nyina na mentimi ntwan se me sign me chi akosra Safari Valley Eco Park biom.
Safari Valley Eco Park, bringing you closer to nature.
Fufuo Festival. Jack for holding out to baby. Na yen copy pono so. Okuman Radio 97.1 2023 Akropong-Akuapem Odrano for the first time. Okuman Eddie Fufuo Festival no. Eddie bro Akuapem nyina. Ebeye de style bi. Remember Naka say fufuo no eye free. You hear eye wankasa wasanka dwumadi nyina beba so ewo eye shoe fabric anymore Akropong-Akuapem. On the 1st of October 2023, a brand new anopa no one trade till you drop. Bibiani na pese bia wonim paying for twetwe nkomo ana pese to stand no nkata do ton wonim bia betimi paying for twetwe nkomo e won 0549012454 0549012454 ana say 0246246875 0246246875 fufuo bami ni fufuo style bia
Esiene kaja yaseda a refre woni pa ho Bro Kojo, obey exams na we twa no yopo say. Eh, na ifa na auto textbooks no efi.
Mini abia, the bay addition fapim enyina ejina Rooney's Bookshop and Stationery so. Say open exercise books, textbooks, calculators, mathematical sets OB. Obake to ensu a enche obehye suku asi. Orokwa na ni wakwa akoto ni crayons, color pencil, sketchbook and afin so no eye erasers na ede yafi Rooney's Bookshop and Stationery.
Enti me ba panyi owo secondary school no men den.
Insuro Rooney's Bookshop books edema mofra efi nursery ekopim senior high school nyina ebi ewo na aso yi. Obake to ensu o nursery no eba ni crayons, color pencil, erasers and afin sharpeners a oko Rooney's Bookshop and Stationery a unsabeka.
Hey sir, na ifa na me hu Rooney's Bookshop and Stationery tra kwan.
Rooney Bookshops and Stationery ewo Akropong-Akuapem police station no anim ho pe. Ana frɛ no ewo 0249 219 599 0249 219 599 ana 0243 946 483 0243 946 483. Rooney's Bookshop and Stationery ana wama humesia ayete. Money
Okay, we are still live. Okuma Radio 97.1. Yakwa mane so na ye din komo kama ye yefio. Onim se nyame arma kwesiada House of Folk. Ethna yefie na womo ene eye instructor ya rentam so e gamer. Ano de san se House of Folk omo pre-season na ensheda nyezi omo wini matches out omo first game. Or Ghana Premier League nyama said amfama musabat ohwe tima ukopie House of Folk in pain for biodia it really tells yes House of Folk no amu bwedwuma petim wado yakwa mane so ne ani Piaro Edema House of Folk Mr. Kwame Opariado in common life on Okuma Radio 97.1 Mr. Pariyama Akwaba Enfambra Okuma Radio 97.1 but on our point is saying Yede radiase yedi say nyame arma kwesiada House of Folk airborne first game or the Ghana Premier League our Cross Sports Stadium home game gamer other supporters no akoma so me so preparation at the saying
well you'll be a preparation so we started preparation right so from Monday up to this day I'm no ka say the team has been nyame adoma now so we go train optional over by 9:30 to continue with the preparation before the start of the game.
My first game, I'm a boy the Ghana Premier League. I'm a full break complaining so House of Folk. Oshamu pre-season matches now. I'm winning matches outdoor. First game, Yaman call Yam Famamo. Mulusumo first game no team no Muso Muzain.
Well, we have jumped over that stage. Any idea will allow it to affect us because we still have 23 matches to go. So we are keeping good focus and maintaining high concentration so that we'll be able to go through the remaining 33 successfully.
Yanche Moko Aliu Muhammad Sports Stadium. Yantesa Bronson Edin Kasim Sisi Anoka players outdoor. Wamoko Pionat Abrantian Ambo Yantesa Abrantian 1 or 2 documents be and you're ready. But obet me a confirm the Amasa Abrantiano and Yamiado over the weekend. Obet me a Japania and I say on to me a Japania.
As to who will play in which match, that is the discretion of the coach. I know nobody can take it away from the coach. He has the final authority. There are players available, but then he decides who plays.
Now, and I'm sorry, Kasim Sisi, and the documents on send 7 you're ready. Wait me a confirm. Are you ready?
That they are ready.
And the documents on send me and Tessa Kasim Sisi, the ITC number 2 year.
Well, I don't know where that story is coming from, but then what I can say is that if there's anything like that, House of Folk would have mentioned it or would have come up with any official communication.
Okay, Linda, enemy sure Sapon, but I'm injury update tonight saying.
Linda and Michelle, both of them have started training, and we are hoping that Ochina Omoko training, based on medical advice, the coach will decide on whether we will be able to use them or not.
Okay. Yes, so bet me a confirm we the amaye. Yenim say ana transfer no sense one defender. And I'm say House of Folk in pain for any dinechi. David Opanfane. It seems like within this week, Yantia say 1 or 2 SMBSC. And then I'm say Brantian air joining House of Folk. Obet me a confirm me. Area might say David Opanfane air joining and I saw joining House of Folk.
Well, in the first place,
I want us to concentrate on the match that we have today. If you don't want finance, I speak to you now. It's not a full player.
Okay. Final West. Yami Arma Kwesiata. Then our fans no expect Enfremfia folk team no.
Well, we expect total support from every podium. First match, we need the support of everybody so that we can restore the smiles on the faces of the Akropong family.
Mr. Pariado Yarawase, as on your command radio, Eastern Region, 18 Commanding Nunwe. Okay. And the communication director of a Okopiem House of Folk, Mr. Kwame Pariado, and also didn't command credit about say yes. Our House of Folk team now, one more eye ready. On himself, Toja, as a David upon Franny, a Brantiano, Johnny House of Folk, Ophebi, Amanfo accounts, and was a Baza Papana confirm, say, as stands on the dear. Abrantiano Enya has a full player and to say I don't come out crab weba yeri emas in a tea for the trimbiano yama a year uresu in fear and common so answer that and ye for the grandma one we are still live on our common radio 97.1 and one senior Kwame Pariado akasakaka till na yanko
ushe ne kasa na kasa na nkranse shema buga se uti se mo akekani na utimi se ono or serious in team nu say ochina match ne and say Sunday match ne ehun hia won sen say we discuss about apart from ball no bibi ewe chi bia no matter ne papa wo hwe players ayebusa nwase ana wo engineer ne arena o che say all of them are make sure say we be team ni ma we be team ni be team nti me je say ni won focus na ye Sunday match no against Instraterman.
Yes.
It will share one and when you are adjuno. Me say a new chama and over shape be a wetchino. And he also players say available no. It's when you now back and you're coaching me when you know. So I was say one way available one a coaching bit my package we never ban as well. Timmy say has I ready for a Sunday born because won't me lose a being entry and second margins will fear. So ni waye o preseason and upon your cancer ni waye o preseason no so make sure say epie e we league na kasem so it will start from Sunday timje say we share won bibia we bia is up to the Sunday match timje say ni awaka no ye nkura system a supporters ni betimi asomo na wode ade achi a support Akropong.
Suba yan share the Ghana Association election so ensensem in Pinifo Odua the Ghana Football Association Pinifo Thanasia one more 8 me appoint you more yan shots here and free a year president no now a one person ubeka say on a opposal on kwana oko na bibia so no 8 me kama Suba yan shots here and free a honomo.
All right, super. Yan Saima etifa kwa baby and Zuba on the in the era of Yura George I can't say Ketokreku, sorry.
Yes.
Ebrana Oba no Abidjan said the Ghana Football Association president. No, Nipe contest, you know, they were in about something or something. If my memory serves me right, because I remember Ketokreku, George Free,
yes.
Nanaya Amponsa, me Amanda Clinton, and I think one other person. As you can see, there were like about 5 people. And it me a contest here, and you know, went into the second round. Asana George, even third round, Asana Ketokreku, it's me them a winning election. And even in the third round, you know, it was a year George I could see free and I call it the elections of Ojemu at the map a year Ketokreku. Now, Zuba, Baidoo say Ketokreku abe president for a year the Ghana Football Association. And Zuba and they wakase onono over achieve as an FA president.
Okay.
Just say niyama why you know unprecedented they been see that into the football people ensign enhwe na Zuba omonto abano ensign emfamano. And Zuba when me say who your leader bia
Zuba it was 6 people.
6
Amanda, George Mensa, Nana Yamponsa, Mr. Kate Iosokreku, George Free, and also Fred Papo.
Okay, so I
Yeah,
think I
so
omitted
6,
Fred
yes.
Fred Papo.
Yes.
Yeah, Papa Fred Papo, one van Jamie. And super, only say nipa bia no ya mau to me say an opposition say for di a dom anima.
Okay.
Adia a dom no expect a few wanna say I wish more munya wo mu na omode sa to me no and sa position e ma wo no onso no obehwe na what deliver e de amasa Akuffo no. And even after that I saw ba na be boom konta e chere Amanfo no, which are friend accountability. And super in every society, in every institution, are there when here pa no accountability. And no enema nipa enya gidi o mu say somehow another mandate we bit my dem aye adwuma ne biem. Now let's look at Keto Kreku. Zuba which the previous manifesto the by say obeso the FA president of the Ghana Football Association now. Zuba it was a whole lot and some maybe and any promises be bring na e get here then in be key and so no and Osha Okase and then obe introduce this catch them young policy
Yes.
sound so now obe make sure say referees are ketuano ebe then yebe tumu and even with the money you can say Premier League price no and so be increase initially it was 200,000 Ghana cedis or say boss obey increase and so to me and super over the years the promises in be and so was one stadium one borehole.
Okay.
You kaipa one stadium one borehole and also no otimi then say on so then ebetimi aye and so no now yembu nkompon kwhwe achi say under Kurt Edwin Simon Ekweku anei obese san tono so ababiem no otumi achieve sa promises na o make here na and o claim say wa overachieving. It means say policies not the go according manifesto the buy no why je amana then abroso. That's all I can say he has overachieved. Now one stadium one borehole. Dew sports stadium Dew park. So by no an call and I hear Wednesday and a call. Mean propaganda. But I want to ask a question. Say, who borehole be owana?
Dabi.
Well,
Dabi.
Young Brekum Golden City Park. I think say a whole basam last year.
Yes.
A bra F in Becca say were 2 borehole. Our year Brekum Golden City Park. And we had the PR for Brekum Chelsea, which I Accra rep a year in Co Joseph.
Yes.
About Bonsi Becca said the borehole now Brekum Golden City Park, was not built or was not done by the FA, but rather the municipal assembly. Brekum. Omona ye borehole. So it means say a horn so no she knew. Or the young funny the 18-man league.
Yes.
The 18 league centers, Yenyi Accra, Yenyi Kumasi, Yenyi Tamale, na Yenyi Cape Coast MFM. There's no team currently in the league or Cape Coast. Maybe I know by adaptive or but they have found the clubs venues or mobile games super. Oko Samatex in Century Park,
yes.
A newly built stadium by Samatex. Omana Adage Aye Bibia Elho. So the woman here every no ball. Oma Yomadi.
Yes.
In the Bianco.
Yes.
Yanko a year Okan is saying
Sunyane
Coronation Park.
Yes.
Super Sunyane has some in Pesemeka.
Okay.
We knew the situation of the Sunyane Coronation Park. There is no borehole.
Okay.
Oba ebepimo Elwaka super. Elwak airtime. Yanka.
Sure.
Because if the borehole or near the water grass Elwak Park and the telephone and can you win a state a woman. So even if say half of the sports facilities baby boy a born and a enya borehole half unyaya for me Ketefeli you shouldn't say he has overachieved. Because who are overachieved there, it means that you've completed everything into no question mark at all. Now, your prize money at that Ghana Premier League,
Yes.
It was 150,000.
Yes.
Almost 200,000 Ghana cedis. And about also be increased. Yes, he indeed increased the money from 200 or from 150 to 250,000. And last year, other called 300,000. Yeah. So for me, on that aspect, I would say yes. When you're not rightly because of castle be increasing. And this year was not sure is will be increased from 300,000 to 500,000 Ghana cedis. Into honor there, my man is correct. Super. You enjoy the welfare of our players. Or shall I say, Obama player welfare, I am a priority. Okay, them is Obama player welfare or priority, and I met you say, a better wa come so.
Yes.
At the end, better wa come so. Obeshana players contract, I papa, it's your mukai. Super. You miss I on. Say the Ghana Premier League players now no. With their contract, I want someone to say. Sika ye tuo mo bosome at the same. Super out in Americans, with the exception of Asante Koroko, Hat to Folk, Adriana Stars. These three clubs, and in terms of salary and even the structure of their payment plan, no, and I can say a good. About the current 18 clubs, about 15 or 14 NATR Senate at the moment players.
Okay.
Omama can into Senate. This was said by Inko Joseph Ono, our senator.
Yeah, but okay.
Senate or you say so or no player Senate or Mutia. He has confirmed he said about 14 of the clubs playing into Senate at the moment. And clubs in a year no can had to folk and Asante Koroko. Inti player welfare super yetana kromwa in players already o maka bibiri ewa ha. Menkasi keto kreku na say two players neka. But on say o make sure say emra ebegu akwemu ama players aketua ayeden aye papa. We see a lot of players moving out of the country. Then you know because aketua moji wa Ghana han enye den enye papa. Oba na ni motor by the game changer.
Yes.
The game changer. So it means say oba be sesa the then administration near Mamo Yana Nkuino. Keto Kweku by Soba sesa. That's what did the game changer by. So if player welfare enye papa super for me, I think that we're failing on that aspect. Now, Odeba say this catch them young policy. They say you be fan kwadan kitten. Na you train you omo. Na fin so yama omani aje referee no ho. Ebisan na Ghana ha refereeing a problem in our Premier League. Referee go dig ana when ni ye na Bruno na say because say bia emra no no ntia ase papa. Enti yam fan kwadan no. Na yam ye policy be inform say catch them young policy. Ye training kwadan no na omahu emra no ye di football. Sane be ya onu so menyi no je say esuro kura woni mu o di game a o de emra no ne be ye adwuma. And now on that policy, I think that is still on course, and I'll mark Kets Okreku. I was catch them young policy now. Now we promised to be distributing boots and footballs for clubs and the players. Oh, Kruma Zuba Kets Okreku Beji Akunyano in 2021, 2019. There about COVID bemu, and then to find 2020.
Yes.
So I say I want to know proper at the year 2020 I had mobile because of COVID. 2021 a boy, 2022, 2023 is a boy. Time when I get I started to boots no, and the football so kruma. Super. It was just ending of last season. And I started so he has waited after 3 years. And so next election, and undeliver. And I said the promise is to make it on year. And for me, Obibeka say so kai ekura waye. Yet ya say waye fantastic because you can't promise Abeka say one year. Waye yet ya say. But the time frame also matters. Time factor. I know nebemo obi adwen say akwe politics no person or play. Because to me promise me 2020 and 2019. Now on Jenya be deliver in 2023. Super. Yes, Gidi ekura minya wo musa de kono be na kura efiri mi mu.
Yes.
Eko. But all the same no. Otumi deliver boot no da so eche boss no. Nti ho no so mateke no. Now, yam go hwe ma football. O promise yes say oko World Cup bia na sika the FA and Black Stars benya from the World Cup no. Ebi eko women's football. Ebi beko juvenile football. Ebi beba Premier League. Ebi beko refereeing emu. And a promise. You can't run away from that.
Yes.
You call World Cup 2022 last year. Ghana had about $18 million from the World Cup. as it stands now, you be saying that $18 million now. You from the World Cup and a day in a day in $18 million in a year. And my football now, okay, ya come on, Bubiana. No. Now, Obekasi was seeking sponsorship at the Ama a women's football. We are having Malta Guinness sponsoring and I be the headline sponsor for our women's football for the first time, AC. So all I had here. But with a sponsorship in our football, no impact being eninya. How much money and a Malta Guinness for the era women's football name na Bama women's football then akone name and also question mark ewo. Now we go juvenile football, our coast leagues, under 15 near there. Only say every year we have something we call FIFA forward money.
Yes.
FIFA pays about a year over $500,000 any mother association or every mother association to develop the game, the teacher on the baby or the not astute or baby or the turf and a football pitches and about this coast football now people boots are heading at the amomo. So it deals with football development.
Yes.
Yes. So get 4 years, say empo FIFA $500,000 as FIFA forward money. Super. We are getting $2 million from FIFA as FIFA forward money. You can develop your coast football. Your coast football in a saying. And I know say in 2019, abra 2020 COVID era, FIFA increase that FIFA forward money, and also give an opportunity. Say any mother body be a person budget Bosniano, which me ba a budget Bosnian if FIFA. Our association went in for that loan. You call J Bosniano. Say the baby football. Meanwhile in 2020 I'm mobile.
Yes.
This is the kind of aside the FIFA forward money. I see and find coast football. And all two initial important. We play under 15 tournament. And even if we are Bokrana at the same. And Kania na ye book coast football, you get the likes of Michael Essien, Sulu Muntari, Stephen Apiam from our coast football. And they players are going to me form from our coast football about a developer and we push them into the national team. Into your home question market. Now, Zuba, young brother national teams. My men shall send for the under 17. And man under 17, Zuba, we've not been able to qualify to the FIFA under 17 World Cup under Keto Kreku. Aden, Ninano age cheating. And ma, you're disqualified from under 17 tournament because into me and your proper checks near me see the go community man go. So under 17 and ma for the past 4 years into me qualify and call women's under 17 World Cup. And mema same. Oba under 20 ma black princesses okay that black princesses grab bobo. Juba. Okay. But under 20 mema I'll applaud him because Oba you imagine under 20 AFCON, the Wafu and the AFCON. Yetimiachi, Babona Baso, why are there? Now, Yambra and Nimura, the senior national team, Black Queens. Over the years, Black Queens last time Black Queens qualify for a major tournament. Not even the AFCON. And I said the Wafu. Now Akuffo say World Cup. But this time around, he has brought in a coach. Qualify. The coach is really, really doing well. Yes. It's also Asteris there. The Black Stars, which are the major two for the Ghana Football Association, and they ride on for their glories. Black Star and they say FA president achieve. Now, Black Stars under Keto Kreku at saying we went to the 2019 AFCON Cameroon.
Yes.
Ifrimu. I think 2019 went to Cameroon, right?
Cameroon. And then Comoros, a ball. The last
game.
game.
No, you call last year, 2021.
2019, 2021.
Okay, 2019, you call. Is it Equatorial Guinea?
29.
I think it's Equatorial Guinea, or Morocco, something like that. Czechia. I don't know, or Algeria. Algeria 2019. Anna, Senegal recently. We went to 2019 AFCON. We failed abysmally. If you know, I think quarterfinals. We lose to Tunisia. If you know. But we had money from the 2019 AFCON. we couldn't qualify, or the main fair non count, but in 2021, you qualify for AFCON, Cameroon. If you move group stages, it was a total abysmal performance for a very long time since 2006. Now Ghana aim for more AFCON group stages that, but in 2021, and Naketo Kreku, Yefimo, all because of a year near my young fan.
2019 was hosted by Egypt.
Egypt, okay.
Egypt hosted 2019. And at 2021, Cameroon hosted here.
Yes. All right, thank you very much for the correction. And you know, Suba, under Keto Kreku with our Black Stars, we've not been able to achieve anything. And our mining, you know, and they said Black Stars budget trophy. Since 1982, Zuba Black Stars and trophy. And we heard the president of the FA during a campaign, the then Keto Kreku, candidate Keto Kreku, saying he will make sure we win the AFCON under his watch. After the first time, have you been able to win the AFCON? You called AFCON not twice. Yet imagine. Into me, and even twice now, your performance at the same. Your film group stages, your film quarterfinals, worst performance near Buffy. Under him also, we've been able to qualify to the World Cup. Ewo eye Qatar. And super. Aside Niamey I see here Brazil in 2014. Na yenya nim Niamey na course for Black Stars camp division and then to kwa draw cover issues by if group stages no. This is another World Cup yakwa eye super air time in terms of performance. Air time. About the resources money yantin tokwa biya super. Yantin tokwa mantua memmo we are boys sutro yantibi. But the performance of the team was so abysmal. We all saw it in Qatar. Yes. We couldn't qualify from our group. And we had these people promising us a lot going into the World Cup. We had even the sports minister coming out to say, and the FA defended it and made sure so team bringing in players from Amanfo. I Akropong which also member Ghana nkwana player IMF. Nkwana player IMF. Ekwaji players ba abebo. And omoba no see sign. So under Ket in terms of our Black Stars, for me, I would say he has failed in our Black Stars. And see Suba, me shada nkani be about Ket okay because go can be bibira. And you be say penasem what time no. And your time, Super Marcacho said the previous time or the first time I kept ban, some of us campaigned for him. Some Ghana football president because we knew the Kets are now FA Cup committee chairman. And in Yamo she say FA Cup with him. Now we are vouching for him so mayor president. And now our president of the FA. And look at what we are seeing. Look at our Premier League. Super. Look at the standard of our Premier League. And already top 30 Premier Leagues in Africa. Super, producer can check. Top 30 Premier Leagues in Africa. Ghana Premier League and count. Producer, check it. Top 30 Premier Leagues in Africa. Ghana Premier League and count. You will get the Sudanese League beating us. The Tanzanian League beating us. Super, Niger, Togo, Benin beating us. Super. We have our hearts of folk. Our Santi Kodoko, Eco Africa, Conquer Africa. Had to folk winning the Super Cup, winning the CAF Champions League, winning the CAF Confederations Cup. Kotoko winning the CAF Champions League, and they are there twice. And now, if you want to mention the best leagues in Africa, the Ghana Premier League top 30. Yankao. You turn your players kwa Somalia. Ghana, your league, you know. You turn players Eko Somalia. If now you afro, bra, me kwa bruchiru, menya contract. I say, oh, danyamia say, but bomba by danyamias be munum nina. If an abra krubenso, or say Somalia. Hey, super. This is how low our Premier League, about Baidoo. Player exodus. You can't blame the players because of how are you treat you, how are your league in aye. People might say, oh, Akuffo best power over the years, not sponsorship in Akuffo best power Premier League, best power I didn't about sponsor league. Yes, fantastic. And I said yes, Akuffo and Akuffo. Why are there? But still, the standard of our league, at the say, quality, no, at the say, quality, Benny, oh, your league in them. And can you bet my trans akata weni? I can say, oh, player may cost you the share this particular player.
Yes.
Away. Saturday ni no biem. And players in about 2-3 months out their club. No majao, no moko Somalia, Sorundono. Ghana player be our Kurubia so Ghana. Aye, we have a name. Of course, without Kurubia so we have a Ghanaian player. Our best players in the league cry Tom you Tom more than $200,000.
Super I'll share top 20 Egypt, Premier League first, Morocco, Tunisia, Algeria, South Africa, DR Congo, Angola, Sudan Premier League under the 8, Guinea, Tanzania, Liberia, Nigeria, Zambia, Cameroon, Senegal, Ivory Coast, Congo, Botswana, Kenya, Zimbabwe, Eswatini. And
super
20.
Yet your man one year your ball league. Na Eswatini. Yeah, Ghana doesn't.
Ghana top 20 Ghana count.
Oh, they pay. Eswatini our population. Producer per the population of Eswatini, mommy. Botswana League. Hey, check the Ghana Premier League. Ziggy. Eswatini League. Hey, better say the Ghana Premier League. And we tout ourselves here, Brazilians of African football. And then a game changer, not banner football, and then. Population is saying, share almost 2 million. Almost 2 million. Population ain't 2 million. Oh, it's me organize league. I'm a league in here. Better say your league na yetiana. Ye claim say jina. I know what can be say, oh, good league in Ufi. League ben a good Ufi. A liga, you rank it top 20 in Africa. Africa countries yes, 51 or 54 countries. And we Ghana, you thought you have gone for that. Now saying you join you play na dang. We top 20 leagues in Africa. Ghana ain't count. Eswatini super.
Yes.
Population in 2 million. Yeah, over 33 million. Your league, yeah. And the annoying thing and the shameful thing and the saddest thing a woman say, your best players in the whole league anymore. You're Tom as well. You're doing Tom Cassie. 200,000 near Tonama, Sudan. 200,000 near Tonama, Tanzania. 200,000 near Tonoko, Ethiopia. Near Tonoko, Swatini. Sorundono. Tonga, near Tomoko.
Not Macedonia. Kobolo no ho.
I'll cry there, say Europe. Bruni. Super. It's sad. And Kate, you hear him saying, I have overachieved. Odo player, o team, o dreams, no, a agency. But that's what Tony dreams the players or Tom O'Quain. Or Tom O'Quain. Or Emmanuel Lomotti from Dreams. Or Tom O'Quain. One ton and course Sweden was the Belgium. But because Saturday now you're FA president, you're FA president, but then you've reduced our league to a standard that your best players in Jimin Tomu NG $1 million. $1 million. Then every year, Barney, Zika is saying. He was one of our best leagues players in the league.
Yes.
Your friend in the national team. But he had to folk Elton Ako Zurich. Amuton is saying. Last year, the best player in our league, Abednego Tete. Also, more league in IBM. Aden. Ewo Niama ye wo league in Joshua Mobi. The standard of our league. Hafiz Konkoni Queen. Oko younger. Young African, that was Tanzania. Hafiz Konkoni. Your friend Ako Black Stars it out. But we Jao, ye league, you know, ko Tanzania. Bernard Morris nebo Tanzania.
Zubauche Tanzania league anymore. Under the 10th.
Super. It's sad. It's really, really sad. Say, yeah, as a country. Mesreke to kreku.
Okay.
Say, I don't post and oko. When ya nitie the dim, oko no post. definitely the nod will be given to him. Mesreno. If he wants to be recognized as one of the best FA presidents, it shouldn't be the Black Stars. It should be our Premier League. You know, Premier League, you know.
Yes.
Super. You know, I'm sure also my AFF league in all because of say, you share your players in the player to meet us boy whole season. Yeah, it's a 3 months pay. We born national team. Now the bonus yes, you in mano. Or born national team or bobo a year more minor. Now you see any day. Yin Tiano. Is it not sad? We sacrifice and all. Look at Emmanuel Esu. Sacrifice for the country. At that post, my Ghana qualify for under 23 AFCON. The bonus, you see him from Mano. Or that Yariam Paso and Sana, you see him sending Bibi Kakaya de Emano. Look at Sylvester Saki. Our free. Super. Is it not sad?
Very sad.
Say player Bobo. They you see him Tianeka. All because of and say yen fing war and fama yan quadano, your players in the Premier League. Or Bobo. Unyesika and Fansano, you are in a war femo ewu. You think say baby will be on a spirit any ye bid in a year. There be and then we as a Black Meteors coach, Ibrahim Tanko, and a PFA for no, PFAG for no, Aquacosano. But where is the FA? FA need to me, FA need to my call. FA need to my call. About 13,000. FA need to me call. Keto Kweku is thinking about a year, you can't say, winning the second term. So be winning elections. That is what Keto Kweku is thinking about. Then the proper and the right thing I saw here, no. Any moment, Mestreno. When you had the second order, Mestreno. Niama went to me in his previous term, no. Mestre, Oman and Inco, na onye. Rather than so nam, I make promises. I can say meet you the regional RFA chairman may increase officiating a fee. A Premier League may move from 300,000 to 500,000. What? How much is 500,000? 5 billion winning a Premier League. A player can play outside. No, within a season, a player. And you know, Mestre.
Okay.
If you know, Unya the bidder on Shana Afinso, our standard of our Premier League into winning race because top 20 Premier Leagues, and I don't know. Eswatini. Eswatini Zupa. And Guarakus grab and say, where is Eswatini? Onimposa Africa. League HIA. Yanti Gromana, I Squazia call, Al Hatum, El Sudan, Cocochi, Azo, Cochi, Toja, Tibum, Nabomato. Croa ya 2 bomb, we are both Premier League, but I papa see Croa, yan 2 bomb, Piotr Cran 2 bida Ukruma. And so Crony Premier League. Papa sing they are investing. They be a Kofi Korega James. Among Ghana, and the concept of football as here. We feel say, Yakoto Bonabato Center, 11 year, ya pass your boy, we call. Infrastructures in putting in place, and I think, say, so for me, if you tell me to rate Keto Kuzuba over 10, no, I think, say, my man of 5 over 10.
5 over 10.
5 over 10.
Okay, the AK, and also, Eden and Koma Krediaba. As I share Mr. Ket, ears of Krikua, Netemi, watch TV, near okay kind in ya. Senior, watch TV, and I saw watch TV.
Rather,
Senior,
Udia Chia, Utiba,
okay.
Intine, we are now to Adjunum, Ocean Sound Casina, Mebra, Kanina, but Ocean manifestos or the buyer, or the Macmac eat in the buy. Na me, Medina one or so, Namashade. Because we share one, or say transparency, accountability, annual audit, and gender and equality, good cooperation governance, and professionalism, and investment.
Okay.
Na ubisa answer we are the accountability no a year jumana. In it from 2019 to 2023, accountability ben wayama. Ana why na mante so let me go what you say because what me say accountability bibia oye bia bebu hu akonta akere yen for 3 seasons ni umu akonta ye for 3 seasons akonta bia maye but yes kana yere ko Afcon sika wade ma $20 something e ma wo mu akwenta ye ko ba wo mu akwenta wo se abanse de twa sika to wo $25 million ye fa nko Afcon and a World Cup wo ba wo mu akwenta sika wade ma wo kura fi wo ba no so ya eno so mu akwenta ye wo kan wasema wo se hey wade ba court unya ko fa ba pe ogu brand no fi na me ga wati ase so accountability na kan wasema den hu accountability na o ba bebu a kire wo wankasa government na we na kasa wuntimi mu hu akwenta ye but o kire say accountability wo pese we den wo ye niema o say transparency busa wo say eniema na ye koso no obuye mu ana enye ne ho na ne nkrofo na osesa wo no de wenwure me se na be ya ne tole na dia na se obi ankwate ne to internet dem pa na o transparent mayen league na ye bon ye me se wo de dawo ade poti be na be ka league no ade poti be na wo de be ka league no a ye mu so we de ye ade a ket ba wo de aba wo league no we say annual audit obi ka say annual audit a o se jese a year bia
every audit in your public. One cause of public.
You are governing for Ghana. On governing for business. Yeah, sebi. Do says you know what I kwenta ma wo. We Ghana. Enti ade bia e wo Ghana mu bia wo say ma Ghana forte. Cause yen tax go tuya oka. So ade be na wo ye wo. Who say equality? Busa who say Brasta and a women's league in a pana. Black Queens epe. And at 20 and a million man epe. So equality never emphasize no. Equality never but money may be equality no one because me ya me say anka equality here idea. Na say a man and you could be a kakra, but you share ye me ball our boy. Etiden.
I bet power premier member league was any of Premier League is equality.
Yet the chrome ya, and you could just sponsor by ya Premier League for Nankasa with him. The actual we have contract in him. League na ye bono bet sport na wakofa we say also na we say transparency the transparency na wakofa bet sport we bet Ghana player aba on crofo na nkasa won wo bobo na nkasa kwa wenim contract na nkasa ni ewom ene ni yekọ start times the same thing so accountability and transparency na kana ye dare ana brofo na ye ntiase ya na enye sika na abechama nkwofu na atwa anwo ahia na wo wo si na ye ne ye ka ho asem o ye me anu me nya bi nti me mfa no nya hwe but na me expecting say eniema odi begu akwan so ama ball na ye fe ukwohwehwe Ghana best 20 league in Africa Ghana nkan why because your ball league our best player best goal king ya atamne na akwatena obo one season na gbirao oko we Togo oko Tunisia oko Zimbabwe na ti who best player no ko Zimbabwe team call league no nya papa nsen weden abaye papa nsen weden enti den tina e na wo ya fa league no say professionalism bro funu na ye keka sa keka na azedeg ana se otibate o se mbese o chiri brofra na ye kan sa akeka na azere
no ni ni aka bi
enfa no professionalism na wa emphasize
ono no ka she mo
league aye boy who share professional league
we are being professional
e wo league na egbo nim
that's what he said
players go yentimi ntua wonka players go yentimi ntua wonka wo na obi as a obi abo league awie je goal king na kwatam 50 million we vote chairman of Nkuchuchu nese accountability and as
professionalism no
ene ne saden ye die guru okuru mu ya o
wow
but me na me can say
okay
you say we den ya oko no post yes re no niama no kan no juvenile football ye hu
okay
yes re no oma juvenile football ni enguro because say FIFA ma $5 million for develop football way coach na up to now inya coach team ba akwen say we dey we yi ne ho as he goes coach team we yi ne ho e Ghana yinya bi e eme akobo ball a common pad kakakura we nya bi hwe Ghana sika football scare ba nyina wore ko we of incident pram sika ba nyina pram project o hwenhwe wo ho obekwa kura na nsu kura ni wo nsu keke ai mi ade beguare kura wo beguare wo kura bi ni wo pram yentimi nya every sika bi e bia e bi ko pram bibia be bia e bi ko pram bibia ko eso hwi ni wo minim say wo si 5-star hotel bi wo pram a
omo ye we wo renovation omo si stadiums outdoor omo person omo si pram no
and for almost 3 years ni a ono buy
yes
from a certificate yenwura kwasi nya 13 mere so sika bi e benya bi e ko pram pram no e kuro no wo chechira na ase ye football facility na wo ye
Ghana Soccer of Excellence on mo
e kuro wa na ase ye football facility na wo ye because I am udwunu we a won te ase but yena won wa wo ground so na what to players no ye hwe fine o say obache 20 30 a boot and 50 footballs to the clubs and then they was started because lesson edu we say Ghana de we do lesson na abosha wo say yin na whatever na wodi wi a enu yanen so na football ni anaba na okase obema 30 players NHIs obe register obia but you adwuma na
oguso ye
what is it oh there be one year so oguso you because we say one promise say every team be our 30 players free NHIs free and every year be obia register ne T players ni na automatically say oye NHIs ma obusa say ekoso ya na ekoso ana won yen promise na about promise bebre na winya yen but how will you do the work but ye den na wa ye adwuma no obeye den na wa ye adwuma no because minim say e wo say o magana fo hu adwuma wa ye wo hwe game changer flyers a enema abonten a otimu say enema wa ye no na odi agu fom na wo hwe enema odi agu fom a writer o say HR department why a new if na aba video analyst department if na so ya den edam kwan so ya ba enu so new afezo kajam young yenim say dey ya den oye now only CAF lances BNC for referees onu so ogusu en so ya dey oye technical department enu so new one a ogusu ya den oye kajam young policy oguso and you say idea then ekwaso ye afiansa na marketing and communication department and so you new enti fidida da nyina na ye work for 9 years and 3 years and you need marketing and communication department so you for the cover sponsorships ni ba sponsorship na e dey Premier League because me say wanya sponsor NASCO no money ade nyina ye den ewomu STC nyina wom
senior me ba ma me nyi komo we mfimfio enfambra yenko amane so na ye ne Mr. Nida Quentin komo Yanti se krobia kumasi asantegrako akwa kodu bebieni nyame adom ochina womo any bebieni Go Stars area in terms of Mr. Niyama akwaba and Fambro Command Radio Eastern Region 97.1 eso
Mejemuso
Bajana impom to saying
nyame adom na monso
Baso yame adom ye ho ye Yanti se kodoko kodu bebieni bacho no kra bene wo
bacho nyame adom ya bedu o bebieni.
Okay, yanhwe nyame adom ochina money bebieni Go Stars ye ni say a gamer ano ordination say koroko womo first game on board draw ewo Barima Sports Stadium going to the second game be expect say at least no koroko anyanya crown mo be ko back to Kumasi no mo di win ebeko so far reparation et saying
yo me da say na menchia weti for na nyumre me fa konya wo say check to supporters ni na your first home game against Kwando Out of Lions or Barima Sports Stadium. We were expecting to win the game, but to me, yenya 1 point. You know, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Then you know, you're training. On each day, there are 2 training sessions. And we are ready for the game. Now because this is a ground that you lose so much or harder. Our premiership no 2 seasons near. First season I no you be share 1-0. Second season you do about 2-2 and no due to poor officiating Bakaya and no referee Akumate some 2 dubious penalties against Kotokwa. Every Ebane no. I didn't know because of that we would have won that game again. Until on 2 occasions Yabahano. Out of 6 maximum points where we have been able we were able to pick 4 out of the 6. It's a favorite ground and I know though you say Nyame Adoma easy game but I can tell you and our supporters say we are ready for the game.
My first game modern terms so na Amanfo break I say Abronson Dini Stephen Bukwala seems like anymore na Abronson one kobe obetimi confirm the am say Stephen Bukwala katima mudi kopie mo be ni Go Stars
Okaskwada no
okay nti yame ado china almost about 70 to 80% say obetimi start the am kotoko china
a decision technical team no ever take here. I'm not in a position to say or best start and say on start, but I can confirm to you say Oka squad edi eba bibieni no.
Yanhwe baby any Go Stars grounds Mulusu game bia wo hono since a team no be PM Premier. Then is so special about Koroko. Moko baby any monwi kra na mo betri draw.
Grounds I can tell you say Obia wafe ball holder no bet me I confirm the American say Bibiani one of the towns Amanfo no about 70-80% Kotoko supporters. Quite apart from that no. Normally cause such places now we go in according to what our regional supporters know, especially the regional executives. So, Western Regional Circles Council normally, I want to take you over such matches, and they have never felt that. And I can tell you, say, and so we will not lose this particular game because squad now whatever is happening on the ground now, it tells you say Kotoko start as favorite.
Me jamu ako as I say mukodu baby ni enche nti also mo resting na mo di nkomo 1 or 2. Kotoko target season to saying.
Normally you call into every competition with one aim and objective, and that is to win the ultimate. Though we are not under any pressure, no nyame bi kwama na ebane say ensa a cut trophy now why not? But we are not under any pressure to win the league at all costs because mbaka open so the team na champagne for no he made it clear say on person the pressure the other two coach and penny be also say at all costs the winning league or Petima a bit me formidable in the coming season or two until we are gradually building a team, but why not to me the rhythm to win the league now that will be fine for us.
And brother say only a din come on Command Radio 97.1 Eastern Region Epoyi Mountain. All right, so Moko Piema, Mr. Nidako, Oka communication team no Edema, Akrobia Kumasi, Asante Koroko. Yenim say Nyamia Tomochna, baby any ghostas, any kotoko, and at the year in terms of one abu and Koma Akra, at the fee a Horman Communiso, and Shada and your Fidia grow, a Hormo. I'm your phone lines, and I'm a senior bra 0551 66 7755 0551 66 7755 ubit me afre aba na also the wadwen share edia bakama na aboanama ebiasa no etimi ai kama 0551 66 7755 0551 66 7755 oya krobia kumasi asante koroko supporter obetimi edo wadwen share dia ba ya me ado chana bu gamer modi area in terms of salso and our house of folk fana ya me ado over the weekend mobo game our Accra Sports Stadium. Baby ad be Fibiano Akwenya was so bit me at the afa and also Osha a Mr. Ket ears of Krikua and redeemo share a hawa water tony nyama wait me out chivi a yen yama or kanyana say one chivie 0551 66 7755 0551 66 7755 senior.
Yo, when you know, say na mekano. Never be below other two former entimi ankoye. But because to achieve and near maybe a idea a course so what I say into the Macasi say about football no Aketiano from 150 to 250 hours or 500. Oshe any promise or the ama for now so now the second time I said the second time is going but for me to hear from first to 10 which means say adibia a conkain
Mamenko Hamra. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Fire. Fire na poma.
Nyamia Domboko. Okay. No, we shake protocol the best of China game or Yakobo. Mr. Nida Michiano. Maybe be no Michiano. Or China game or Yakobo, meaning patience they win. The DNA. Yabesha 2-1. Na yeba Ghana football. Inti Ghana football pani. Ghana football top 20 clubs South Africa kra Ghana nkahubi. Inti keti obetumi abuga yeni. Keti do wabese yembo, keti abese yembo. Inti mpere fo ogudenso.
Oguso yen kaka.
Ogudenso. Den oguso. Right sir. Den na keti gusu ore.
Ogusu ye.
Ore say Ghana football.
Okay.
Or say Ghana football. The impaired one Ghana football time back to where it is.
Okay.
Okay,
Mr. Medas. And fire Ediano na Okopiema. Sir Manchester, or a brutal pa na tawama light out Niniana or monitor showing from afar. But still, lights na bani niya. Sir Manchester, only busia for no monitor. From a fan command so and Shadan Yefidia 0551 667755 0551 667755 and I say 0270 191 971 0270 191 971 and I say 020 58 18 748 WhatsApp and also bet me a free aba 0270 191 971 Ofreba yibedin komona boa na mai bia so no etumi aye kama e wo haramo esenti senior ye na wie ni anko
nti no se na meka no enema bi wo ho a okan waye sikasema ne adende mu se cause FIFA man ne ba so se FIFA man ne ba de wo so etimi de hye be o de wure ankofo afunum se na be ya nipa na be di na ti but waye bi se na nipa be ye bi waye ni nyina but ni ya ye hian and ye person ye mayen because in your kind kire no yini na no ye no nti ye bese say the second time all libano o make sure so be ye because ya ye hu se opesia the way ayen parks ne ne ade ye ni stadium wa Ghana ne o aye Kumasi ne ade ne ye Ghana de ene ne football teams ne de ene ye Ghana de but for teams nanka say ball no ye ni stadium ye na ye park nkwia akwakura unya ba bia den entena wo hwe na anu ya dum sasia hwe park ye eda ho a ye ball wo so ya otimi say ne ye twakọ wiase nyina anhwe eni na aka ho ana we reti African best league na one fire ngam because ye ni park ye ball wo so it is any money yesterday no on share parks ni ade me park ni hu yiya me more because FIFA discover say one fine me the park ngete ma juvenile football so enye adwuma me hu juvenile park bi e wasi wo baabi enti ye besere won
okay
yankasa ye ne kura no so no ne ye ne kura ya asem enti ye besere won all about second time park ni ade no accountability so no aka no transparency so no aka no professionalism o men ye adwuma na ogu ye le se Ghana football na on share teams no e was say afibia de obi aye accountability teams ni nyina
on share teams no
e was say wo ye there's a law
maybe any law na asem law na o kan teams na o ka so on share one Akropong na form the executive council club owner ono ye executive council
so baba me fa we wa man so hello good evening.
Yo, one family, papa, one family, anka, Tutugyagu sports, we coming to you.
But you didn't review of Refi.
Me digging the Akuffo Francis, Dodona, Bomemerang Lampard.
Lampard,
the world Akropong.
Lampard,
yeah, New World Francis and world Akropong. Lampard one, no size. Okay, me tell. Right now, okay, I think the support also. Keto Kreku. Why are they? Because after normalization, near more already about person structure football, and you know, queer no bit my Sunny and Mugusi and we no, also a baby a wire there, Wafa. The 3 year with only disqualified no queen. No, you wouldn't see now Ghana football with me, Neddy. But the structure of football a tricky process. Oh, Egypt, Morocco could only see academy war France. Training one place or other. You start from somewhere and then intimidate, made the support and VVI. Income as we every chairman, not on another 4 years. All fine stretcher, Ghana football, no changing.
Okay.
I know they say, and as we at about how young pa Ukabruchia clubs near then and you new clubs, a year town. And they own clubs, but I had it. Obi was Kakakano, so I was a matter with him. Obi was Kakakao, was a matter with him. In the only party, be a road you can see a clear. Oti, I am a parking. But it may be.
Oh, Lampard, that home and Ateko, ye. See that, facing your
this is America, time, I should use it. So I can message catch. On my teams in Nina on the one. Accountability.
Okay.
One year quanta my teams in supporters and we say, I feel your book I say, your say, I look about we are my supporters and then ultimately contribute more. Because you say Kotoko census will soon be our water. But it was I say Busu I finished ya why ya quantana.
Final
and yes, all
right. Final yes,
the final was catch the waba.
Okay.
But wabe more and town quantity or my can't near many beam.
Okay.
Nyama pod ye gu akwanso lebano o make sure say obeye mu fakese na na ne din aka asase so.
Super final words yanko.
Nyama kan say ne won manifesto mu no ye.
Ano na your final words. Okay, ti armo ene de eye Tutugyagu Friday edition ne besi. Nyame atom ochina she 2 p.m. ye the live commentary baba Ghana Premier League match day 2. Baby any Good Stars and a Krobia Kumasi Asante Korokol 3 p.m. Yamiaruma Kwesiada Sebethana se House of Folk and he's shot to my beba Bechem United Dreams FC Adriana Stars Metiama Sporting Club Caroline United Brekum Chelsea Baidoo Heart of Lions and Great Olympics Nations FC Samates Monday and Lions and Ligon City Yami Aramachana Asia 2 p.m. live on Okuma Radio 97.1 Team Media Solid Bronson and Dini K. Brown and a producer she said you made in a kama a bruta papa now mini oba afra you know say mini oba the voice said enti me fa no ba ma we kroma gole yasa so and Akupima DJ Zigibi or a bruta and also Bronson and the weather omnia buakama ama bia so no etumi kama Bella Nano Tamia Esther and also Nana Kofi Okori Ajimai AK and also Ukopima the boss player himself Mr. Kweku Buate Yakupon Shama na onyom kesi Yami Arabachana in share 2 p.m. Yakra Medino and the writer commentator
Wabo Okuman FM Okuman FM FM Obi Antona Station Masa Oye Clay Wo de one na woni wonim di no wod won ye